National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, eastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Lake Forest, Winthrop Harbor, Lake Bluff, Kildare, and Forest Lake.
Source:
Buffalo Grove, Highland Park, Lincolnshire, Highwood, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn around 9:10 p.m. Wheeling, Northbrook, and Deerfield around 9:15 p.m. Glencoe around 9:20 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 26. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Hawthorne Woods, Grandwood Park, Lake Barrington, Wadsworth, and Oakwood Hills around 8:55 p.m. Waukegan, North Chicago, Vernon Hills, Zion, Lake Zurich, Beach Park, Long Grove, Park City, Green Oaks, and Tower Lakes around 9 p.m. Lake Forest, Winthrop Harbor, Lake Bluff, Kildare, and Forest Lake around 9:05 p.m. Buffalo Grove, Highland Park, Lincolnshire, Highwood, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn around 9:10 p.m. Wheeling, Northbrook, and Deerfield around 9:15 p.m. Glencoe around 9:20 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between